Hi, my name is Aaliyah and I'm part of the Warhol Academy's new fellowship program here in the Pop District on the North Shore. We're working with Table Magazine to bring their latest issue to life to show you all the cool places here in the city. So let's get into it and learn how to Pittsburgh.
When you think about how to Pittsburgh, you're going to want to think about coming here to the Andy Warhol Museum and seeing the Skull Gallery. They're very beautiful, but they're also a little bit about decay. There's a little bit of a creepy quality to them. And that's really how these paintings function. They remind us that they're beautiful, they have swirls of color, but they're also memento mori, as they say, a reminder of death. And everything that's beautiful is beautiful because it's here just for a moment. So these paintings remind us that the pleasure of life is in the moment.
How I Pittsburgh is I go to see the Max Vanko murals at St. Nicholas Church in Millvale. They're religious murals as you would find in a church, but they're site-specific to Pittsburgh. There's a mural of a nun with a gas mask on. There's a capitalist devouring a meal while people are starving. They're just extraordinary pieces. If you were going to worship there and you didn't know those murals, it's not at all what you expect. The surprise of finding things outside of the official walls of culture.
When I go out in Pittsburgh, I always come to Mattress Factory and I show everyone this amazing Greer Langton installation. It's all about me, not you. I think about it as what it must have been like to be inside Greer's head at some moment. It covers many mediums. Greer worked in drawings, in photographs, and especially in doll making, and has a number of really beautiful, clever, funny, and kind of heartbreaking dolls. And it tells the story of many parts of her life and her journey. And I think that's true of all of our installations, is you really get a chance to not just see an artist's perspective, but experience it fully. And there's just no place else like it.
And to truly Pittsburgh, you have to check out the Carnegie Museum of Art in Oakland. Be sure to check out the Scaife Gallery and experience Heed's Thunderstorm at the Shore. Heed's skillful use of colors and his mastery of light create a sense of depth in this seemingly flat medium. Experience the sensation of rain and the ominous horizon as you engage with the painting. And be sure to check back with us as we learn how to Pittsburgh all summer long.